Hello guys, welcome back to the HardReset.Info channel. In today's video, I am going to tell you and explain the power button shortcuts to you in your OnePlus 15. So actually, here the first and default thing for your power button is when you hold it, you'll see the AI, the Gemini. So this is actually typical for the most Android phones lately. But if we tap settings and scroll down to the accessibility and convenience, we can scroll further so that we can see the power button in the order. Here, if we double click in the power button, we can, for example, set it to the camera. Press and hold, for example, power menu. But if we do have it set, for example, to digital assistant, to turn our device off, we have to hold the power, click the power and volume up. Here we do have the power menu, but if you do have only the power button, we do have the power menu right here. So this is the first thing about and second and third thing about the power button. And now the next thing here is the screenshot. If you click the power button and volume down button, you can take a screenshot, which is actually very, very useful. Apart from that, here in this phone, if you do hold the power and volume up, you can easily enter the recovery mode when your screen is turned off. And apart from that, as I remember here, if we go back to the settings and power button, we can tap here, as I said, to open the camera, and here if we double click the power button, we can really open the camera, and that's how it works. Have a nice day and goodbye.